trucks?
Trucktown!
Hoods together!
Trucktown!
Come on, let's go and play in Trucktown. There is always lots to do. Let's rev it up today in Trucktown. Every day it's something new. We'll build it up with Jack and his friends. Smash it down, build it up again.
Trucktown!
Every day it's a fun new game. Trucktown, it's where I wanna play.
Trucktown!
Come on, let's go and play in Trucktown. There is always lots to do. Let's rev it up today in Trucktown. Every day it's something new. Come on!
Trucktown!
Jumping bumpers!
Trucktown!
Come on, let's play in Trucktown!
Fix that crane! Huh? Uh-oh. Nice! I love fixing stuff! Oh, yeah! What's up, Craner?
It's Crandall Crane the Third, painter. Melvin is making a statue of me today. I need to find the best look. Crandall and his claw. No, something bigger. I think I should pose lifting this shed, so everyone will see how strong I am. Ready, Melvin?
Almost.
Whoa!
Wow! Interesting.
Cool! Melvin makes trucktastic statues. Yours is gonna be amazing.
No doubt. Although, I wonder. Do I look more powerful with this dumpster? Melvin, which one should I pose with?
I don't know. It's too hard to decide. You pick. Oh no! I'm out of cement. I gotta go get some more.
Huh?
Honk honk! Cone coming through! Coming through!
Hi, Max. Hi, Dan. What's the cone for?
We're building a rocket ship.
Oh.
The cone is the top of it.
We're making it out of tires. Gonna be big, 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 big! Woo! Honk honk! Woo!
Cool rocket, Max. But how are you gonna get that cone all the way up there?
Oh, nuts and bolts, you're right, Jack. We're way too short.
But Craner isn't. Hey, Craner! Would you lift this cone for them?
Please?
Certainly, Daniel and Maxwell, but we must be quick. I must resume my pose before Melvin returns. Oh, dear. No, Gritty ears. Whoa!
Craner, look out!
Oh! Ow! Oh! I got it! I got it! Oh! I got it all right.
Uh-oh, that doesn't look too good.
It doesn't feel too good either.
That cone's definitely stuck.
Now I'll look silly for the statue.
Don't worry, Craner. We'll help you get it off. I know what we can play today. Fix that crane!
Interesting. Go on.
One way to do it would be to jiggle
Smash
it!
it!
The echo in this cone made it sound like you were all talking at once.
We were all talking at once. Max, what was your idea?
We fix Craner like we fix everything. By smashing!
we use lots of grease, that cone will slide right off.
Especially if I jiggle it.
Interesting. Though perhaps we should try one idea at a time.
That'll take too long. Let's try all the ideas at the same time.
Freeze!
Jiggle!
Sounds messy.
Ready to roll? Fast!
10-4. I've got gobs of grease. Just dip yourself in, Craner.
But it's so greasy.
Why not give it a try, Craner? I'll help you.
Whoa! Stop! Oh,
Now we jiggle!
no!
Whoa! Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Crusty cables! I'm falling!
That was fun! Too bad we didn't get the cone off Craner. Craner?
Down here!
So, what should we do next?
Warm it.
Yank it!
Shake it!
All at once?
Yep, we're a team.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna pull that cone off this time. No jiggling.
We'll heat it up with our hot exhaust to soften it. Then it should slip right off.
I'll go in reverse, too. That should help.
Great ideas, everyone. Let the cone removing begin.
Is it working?
Not yet!
More!
Whoa!
Whoa! This really is a new look for me.
Hey, that gives me an idea. We'll knock it off.
Let's do
this!
Oh! Ow!
All right.
Hey!
Uh-oh, roadblock. Craner, are you okay?
I'm not sure. I can't see if I am.
Hoods together.
What if I push Craner out?
Right. And I could pull them at the same time.
While you guys do that, I'll lift him loose with a telephone pole.
Do we have one plan this time?
Yep, we plan to get you out. Ready?
Ready.
Pull!
Excuse me, but you're both pulling.
Sorry, when I heard Dan say pull, I did.
Okay, so this time, do the opposite. Go!
Hey! Now you're both pushing.
Huh? Sorry. Jack said do the opposite.
Okay, Max pushes, Dan pulls, and I'll move Craner up. Ready? Ready? Go!
Hey, nice pose.
Oh, and hoods together. Smash and land! How did that not work? Hoods together!
Hey, how about we get Ted and have him tow the cone off?
Yeah, and if that doesn't work, I bet Ted will have lots more ideas.
I'll see if Gabby has any treasures that can help. Or other ideas.
Everyone was kind to try and help, but there were so many ideas being offered, my head was spinning.
Spin spinning. That's it.
What's it?
Remember how you spun your head to try to catch the cone? How about I hold the cone tight and you spin your head the other way?
Great gritty gears! That might just work!
Now spin!
Hooray! Ah, much better. Thank you, Jack. That was one excellent idea.
It just takes one solid idea. Sometimes too many ideas can be too much.
Look out! Ted says he's got lots of new ideas to try.
Gabby, too!
Yes, but one idea worked for me.
Yikes! I mean, Craner is free! Excuse me! I'm done, Craner, if you'd like to take a look.
Trucktastic!
Yeah!
Wow, that looks truckerific.
Except for that horrible cone on my head. That's not good at all.
Well, sorry you don't like it. I can make another one, but it'll take a while.
That gives me an idea. New way to play. Fix that crane. And how do we get that cone off the statue?
Bounce it!
Shake it!
Pull it!
Craner!
Wait, one idea at a time.
Smash it!
Oh, yeah! Lots of ideas can be a whole lot of fun, but you need one good one to get the job done. Meet the space truck. Oh, yeah! Sputter and spark plugs. What's that? Wow, those tracks don't look like they come from any truck I know. Huh? And that doesn't sound like any truck I know. I love a mystery. I gotta tell the guys.
Good job!
What's up, trucks? Want to see something cool?
You bet, Jack!
What is it?
It's a mystery. Follow me.
Mystery! Mystery! What's a mystery?
It's something you have to figure out the answer to. Sort of like a puzzle.
Puzzle! Puzzle! Woohoo!
Let's roll! Yeah!
I've changed a lot of tires, but I've never seen any that make tracks like that.
Maybe it's a truck from some other place.
What? A strange place! Like outer space!
I think you're right, Max. Maybe it's a space truck.
A real space truck?
What else could it be? I bet it has wings.
Maybe. Wonder if it looks like this.
Or maybe it's a zombie truck.
Or flies super high, being from outer space and all.
The sound stopped. I wonder why. Greetings, space truck. Huh. Nobody's here.
Because it's invisible! Welcome, invisible space truck!
Well, maybe, Max. But it probably just moved on. See?
Maybe it's taking a tour of Trucktown. I mean, Trucktown is trucktastic.
Then we should be the tour guides. Who knows Trucktown better than us? Come on!
It's invisible!
Let's roll!
All right!
Trucktastic! Looks like our outer space visitor knocked this over.
I think the space truck likes smashing stuff just like we do. Trucktastic! Let's move the scrap and see if we can find some more space truck tracks.
Sorry. Got a bit barrel bashing happy.
That's okay, Dan. You bumped into a great idea. We can use these oil drums to make a welcome to Trucktown present.
I bet this space truck will love smashing and bashing these.
Hello!
Craner? Phew. We thought you were the space truck.
A space truck? Yeah! As in,
I come from another galaxy. Meet me.
Actually, that's pretty close to what I was thinking it would look like.
so there really is a space truck? That would explain those sounds. Shh.
Hey, it sounds like it's over there. Let's roll! Space truck, where are you? We're friendly. We come in peace.
Huh? Hello!
Max's crash sounded sort of space trucky.
You're right. I bet the space truck doesn't speak our language, so we should try some other way to talk to it. Come on! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! We're doing it! We're speaking space truck!
Hello! Again. Sorry to cut in on your concert, but you might want to search that way.
Thanks for the eye in the sky, Craner. Come on, trucks. Sounds like space trucks up there. Oh, I can't wait. Now, why would it go in there?
Maybe it saw us following it and got scared, so it's hiding.
It must be far from its home planet. I'd be scared too.
Really?
Well, a little scared.
Sounds like it's playing music, too. Wonder why?
To calm down? Like how I bounce if I'm scared or shy or sad or...
We need to let it know we're friendly. Locked. Roadblock.
It really must be scared if it locked the door. Nuts and bolts.
We gotta talk to it. Hoods together.
If we can't get in there, maybe we can do something to get Space Truck out here.
Right. Let's try to speak like the space truck and say, please come out. Shh.
Oh, I guess it didn't hear us.
Or we said something bad by accident.
Hoods together.
I'm hungry. How about a snack?
That's thinking, Dan. I bet the space truck's hungry, too.
Let's give it a nice, yummy barrel of oil.
Sounds delicious.
I hope our visitor thinks so and comes out for some.
That didn't work. I'm still hungry. Nuts and bolts.
Hoods together.
There we Hurry, go there. We'll see it. It'll
Let's do it.
great.
Let's do it.
Smash and land!
Woo! Hung on! Woo!
The space truck?
Whoa!
Rosie?
Jack? You scared me, Trucks. I was just practicing my dance moves. I wanted to surprise everyone with a truckerific dance routine.
So that's the sound we heard.
And your dance steps are what made those tracks we followed. Mystery solved.
What mystery?
Well, see, we didn't know you were making those tracks and noises.
Yeah, we thought you were a space truck.
That's funny, because when that oil drum came in the window, I thought maybe it had dropped from a space truck.
I guess we all had wrong answers to a mystery today.
Huh, when we saw the tracks and heard the sounds, we really thought it was a space truck. I really wanted it to be a space truck.
We all did, Jack. Nuts and bolts. Did we guess wrong?
Yep, but it sure was fun.
Yeah. We looked all over for you. We looked on Drainpipe Mountain. Then we went to the scrapyard and then we followed the tracks to the construction pit and then we came here and
the fun's not over, because I've got a new way to play. Be the space truck.
I'm even going to name my new dance move the space truck.
Wow!
Rosie! Solving a mystery can be tons of fun, even if your answer's not the right one.